In today's video, we're looking at the Holy Stone HS900. It's a sub 249 gram drone. I like the style, the look, everything. Even the controller is nice. It doesn't have like this cheapy look and feel to it. It has a nice solid build and look to the whole kit. It also has a return to home button. It has power button, has EV buttons. It has speed. It's got removable sticks, so you can take your sticks off and screw it on the controller, which we will do because we're about to fly this bad boy and see what it can do. Also, this is supposed to have decent range, so looking forward to all of this. A 4K camera, come on, it's about time the companies start stepping it up, and that's one of the main reasons why I'm making this video, because you put in the work, you deserve the exposure, and people need to know what is out there. A few things I like about this kit from the get-go is the bag it comes in. The handle is nice and plush. The bag does not feel cheap in any which way or form, and it's also got a shoulder strap, so that's really nice. It's got compartments inside, really nice touch. I have a folding phone, and most of the time I go to fly other brands, it just won't fit in the controller. But this one will fit my folding phone and a standard phone, anyone with ease. So this controller is very versatile. All right, let's plug it in. It's got a button here. It's got a wheel over here. Let's power up the drone. I've got an SD card in there. Let's get this bad boy up in the air and see what it can do. 4K in your life.
In the skies of flashing tech, catch the night.
It's armed. The app is called HS Sirius, S-I-R-I-U-S, in case you're looking for the app. That's what it's called. Now, I noticed something straight off the bat. The image quality on my phone screen is now like crispy, clean, and clear. I'm pretty sure the 4K is clear. We'll take a look at that. The sticks respond nice. I mean, the app looks pretty good. Reminds me a lot of it's got the height, it's got miles per hour, it's got your distance, it's got your altitude, it's got everything. Take a look at the maps over here. I've got the full maps loading too. I've got the full maps loading. Look at that. Really nice. And you click on it, comes right back. So under safety, it's got stable, normal mode. You could select it from here, or you could just press the button on the transmitter. Flight distance, beginner mode, nice. Got a auto return home. Height, you can set your height. Let's do 200 feet. You've got calibration. My compass looks good. Gyroscope looks good. Gimbal looks good. Nice. It's got a lot of features in here. Battery info. It tells you how many times you charge. Very good, very good. What to do if signal is lost. It could hover or return home. We definitely want it returning home. You can customize this button right here too. Tap the button right here. It looks down. Tap it again, looks up. Really nice, good basic features. And then if you double tap, you have cruise control. Wow, that's interesting. Cruise control. Let's go forward. Double tap. Oh, wow. Interesting. It's just cruising and controlling. Very nice. Very, very nice. Can I manually take over here? From the time you touch the sticks, it comes out of cruise control. That's a really nice feature. Really nice. I'm pleasantly surprised with this drone. You've got gain and tune. Wow. For every mode. You can tune every mode. The gimbal speed and the velocity. Joystick mode. Obviously, you've got mode 2, mode 3, mode 1. Mode 2 is the most popular. Very basic. Nothing too fancy, but it has all the basic features I think that you would be looking for. What about in the 3 dots over here? Okay, we have a pro mode. You can set your own ISO. You can set your own shutter speed. The white balance, I don't see a manual white balance. You just have a few options to choose from. So if we're looking for improvements, I know it's a budget drone, but still it would be nice if we could have full manual white balance. Holy Stone, if you're listening to this. Oh, it shoots raw. Oh, 4K pixels, nice. Now you have continuous shot, you have time shot. So you have a variety of options. Now you only have continuous shot in JPEG, not in RAW. No big deal. You got these 3 dots up there. You can format your SD card. It tells you the capacity, photo, sound, photo animation. You got your grid lines. You got your center dot. You have some options over here if you like your grid lines. Look at that. We got transmission fluently or HD. we'll go to fluently because fluent is more important. Look at that. Your record rate, 100 megabits per second. Let's go with 100 megabits. You got recording rates of 4K 30 or 1080p 60. Not bad. We're obviously going to go with 4K 30. You can crop. We don't want to crop. You can go with full and you can go with 16:9. Very nice. The settings are very simple. Now on the other side, the left side over here, I've got this little icon. Let me click on that. Oh, we've got quick shots. We've got smart follow and time lapse. Really nice. I want to test these quick shots out a little bit, but the drone's flying really good in stable mode. Now, I don't see any log color profile. Maybe I'm asking too much for log or decinelike, but it would be nice to have some kind of color profile. Let's see if we can get some nice, just cinematic footage. This is really a step in the right direction. This is where other companies need to focus on and just hone in on getting better. And just bringing the competition, just bringing it, you know, just keep bringing it, just keep improving, keep getting better, working on firmware updates, making everything solid. This, to me, is where it's at. And the battery life on this thing is really good. Like, even the gimbal adjustment shows on the screen. Look, if I look down or I look up, even that shows on the screen. Nice. The drone really flies nice. Its signal is decent. Wow. I am impressed. I'm not gonna lie. And I'm flying behind myself right now. So to still have signal, that's a good thing. There it is. Oh wow, the GPS is holding nice. I think I can catch this bad boy. This little booger is not doing bad at all. I don't hear any fan noise. It's not hot. Well, it's cool and rainy out there. You can see all the rain. It's been taking a beating from the rain, but I can't get the raw photos to display on my phones rather, and on my laptop. For some reason, the file is there. My phone and my laptop just can't open it. I don't know why. I don't have this problem with any other raw photos on any other drone or device for that matter, so I'm not sure what's going on there. The JPEGs open. The JPEGs look fine, thankfully, but the raw photos, I don't know what's going on there. Sounds like a software thing. So Holy Stone, if you're watching this video, if you could fix that, that would be great. The other problem I had is while parallel tracking, I've had the video glitch out on me. It starts glitching and then it starts skipping, and then when I try to render it out, it's a problem. I don't know if that's a software thing. What's the use having the tracking and the parallel tracking feature if it's not going to record properly and it's gonna glitch? Then I don't know what the point is. Now I'm happy to report the video quality, the 4K on this drone looks really good. I mean, really good in my opinion. The only thing is when I put it on the bigger monitor up here, you can see that it's a bit over sharpened. Not a big deal, but I wish that they would put some settings here where you can turn down the sharpness, and that way we can add sharpness as we need, but it's very difficult to take out sharpness on an over sharpened image. It just doesn't look right. So Holy Stone, if you're listening, can you give us sharpness adjustments in the app? Other than that, the footage looks great. Another thing that I've noticed is that the smart shots do not keep you in focus. So I've tried multiple ways, multiple lineups on these smart shots, and every time the drone starts moving away from the subject, which is me in this case, it just loses me. Whether I'm in my car, whether I'm on my bike, whether I'm standing by myself, it just keeps losing me consistently. These are all software update fixes, thankfully. It's just, I don't know if Holy Stone is ever gonna fix these things or not. But these are issues I've run into. Every once in a while it does work, but I would say it's a 50-50 shot with all the smart shots, except the rocket. The rocket, as long as you put it over you and you let the drone go up, I haven't seen any problems with that one, but the other two definitely need some work. This drone is rated to fly 6 km or roughly 20,000 feet. Now, from where I usually do my test from the bench in the park, I can fly all the way to the globe with most brands that boast that sort of image transmission. This, I don't get it. I don't get it. I have to do a lot of adjustments. Not that the range is bad. It's just not as good as a lot of the other mini drones on the market, but bear in mind those other mini drones are $600 all the way to $1,100. It's not like the range is bad, it's just not the best. One huge plus with this drone is that you don't have to worry about restrictions. Where I fly every day, there's a restrictive wall the DJI has as you get closer to the airport. Not that you're not allowed to fly there, but DJI put their own wall up there and you have to get permission from DJI. If geofencing is a problem, I'm happy to report this doesn't have any geofencing. I did test the return to home accuracy and I found that it landed within 6 feet of where it took off. Another question that I have is, where do we get ND filters for this? The footage is really good out of the camera. I don't know if Holy Stone plans on making ND filters or they are any third-party companies out there. Now, my flight time from today's flight gave me around 17 minutes, but it was very, very windy today. Give or take, looking back at all of my records, I can say you can easily get 20 minutes out of this drone from cruising around and filming 4K. Also, if you're looking for a mini drone for low light flying, this is not the drone to get. Based on the camera specs, the aperture, and the size of the sensor, it's not rated for low light flying. You need a lot of light to fly in the night. So just general night flying, this is not the type of drone or camera that I would recommend, but it does what it's supposed to based on the specs. Another thing that I feel you should know is that the GPS does take a little bit of time. Once it does catch, however, I've never had a GPS problem. And this drone flies great. It flies stable, all around smooth controls. Very happy with this drone. In case you're wondering, the battery charge time takes about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes. Now, last but not least, I will put the price up on the screen here with the discount code. They do have a discount code running. Let me know what you guys think of this drone in the comment section below. I really like the color of this drone. I really like the features that the drone has, even though the features do need some work. I'm very pleased with the camera, battery life, controller, the way it operates, it handles, the range, everything is just good. With that being said, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you hit subscribe, hit the bell to get notified when I release new drone videos. Check out my LUTs at www.dronexfactor.com. Also, think about becoming a patron. It's only $1 a month. That's $12 a year. You can reach out to me on Patreon on your smartphones, like sending me a text message, and I will definitely help you with any questions you have or any support that you need that I can offer. All right, that about wraps it up for me and this drone, the Holy Stone HS900. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and I will catch you guys, well, whenever I can.
Learning flights with Xavier.